Yo, this is Forest Gold Trading channel. So let's dive in now. So in today's video, I'm going to take a look at a special video I promised for one of my VIP subscribers who asked me exactly how did I analyze my market and how did I take my entry with boom and crash. So let's dive in now. So I actually have one of my subscribers. He actually asked me a question almost a year now, but I'm promising him to make a video for him. He reminded me 5 days ago, but I'm going to respond to him right now. So this guy actually, please can you make a video of how you enter your trades, more especially how you do your analysis. So this guy wants me to show him exactly how I take my trades and also how I analyze my boom and crash market. So let's dive in now. So as a boom and crash trader, or the way I personally trade boom and crash, I use what I call the daily highs and daily lows trading system. What do I mean by daily highs and daily low trading system? I use the daily candle to identify where market will make its next move, and I follow the market in order to execute and take that trade. So that is what I mean by that. So I've drafted something for you, a just 3-step guide of how you can be able to identify a good entry for your trading system. So step one, I say identify or mark daily highs and daily lows on the previous candle. Secondly, look for break of structure in for trend continuation or reversal. Number 3, use candlestick pattern as entry trigger. Bonus tip, I'm going to give you the best time frame that you need to use and enter a good trading setup as a good boom and crash trader. So let's dive in now. So let's start with number 1, which is identify or mark the daily highs and the daily lows on the previous daily candle. So whenever I want to trade, look at it like yesterday that we took this trade on this huge green candle. This yesterday candle, I'm talking about this candle. Whenever I want to trade boom and crash, anyhow it is, I'll first of all mark the daily highs and the daily lows before I take my trade. What I mean by daily highs and the daily lows of a previous day candle, like now, this is yesterday's candle. Excuse me. This one is yesterday candle. So as I'm about to trade yesterday, I will use the day before yesterday candle. So you just mark the highs of the body. Look at it. You can see this is the height of the body and this is the low of the body. So you see I've already marked the highs and the lows of my previous candlestick. Your previous daily candle. If you are going to trade today, you are going to look at what yesterday's candle has did. So you'll mark the highs and the lows of yesterday's candle. That is what I mean by identify and mark the daily highs and the daily low of the daily candle or previous daily candle. If you just do this, then we'll move to the next step. What is the next step? The next step is look for break of structure in for a trend continuation or reversal. So now, if you mark the daily highs, let me even move to the 4 hours time frame. You can see, if you mark the daily high, this is the daily highs and this is the daily low. So now, if you identify the daily high and the daily low, then you'll identify a break of structure in the lower time frame. You will identify break of structure in the lower time frame. Then you'll go back to 15 minutes or 30 minutes within this zone you mark. in between these daily highs and the daily lows. I'll go back to, let's say, go back to 30 minutes. Let's see. Okay. So on the third, sorry, I touched this. Let me adjust it. So on the 30-minute chart, you can see by merely looking at it, I can easily figure out a word. This is more of a triple bottom. 1, 2, 3. Market was reach this level, move up again, return to this level, was unable to break it, go back up again to break these highs. Market also returned to that level for the last time before it finally pushed up higher. So we are able to catch this big move. Yesterday, all our VIP signal subscribers in my VIP signal group has already catch this move, which is a very good move that gives us almost 700 to 800 pips intact, catching spike trade in the boom and crash. And let me show you how the VIP signal members smash this away some in 3 trigger. So you can see this is the signal. This is the signal. I posted the signal. Excuse me. I posted the signal not quite long. This is the signal. I posted the signal on 5th December. You can see signal boom 1000 index by now. Our entry level is this is our entry level 20.371. That is the entry level, and I gave a stop loss of 22.71. This is it from the, this is the entry and this is our stop loss. And please mind you guys, anywhere you see any signal without this tag, this is not my signal. Any signal that is not carrying this tag, this is not my signal. So you see, we're able to enter the signal and we are able to make a good profit. Since market was just moving slowly, we are just some few number of pips. Market started moving with 34 pips. From 34 pips, market was able to move up to over 500, up to 700. This is it. This is the last entry. You see the entry 23.7. The entry is the same, and we are currently trading at this level. So we are able to book over 700 pips, catching one single spike using our VIP signals. So if you want to join our VIP signals, kindly DM me or check the link in the description. You can be able to contact me and let's deal with it. Our VIP signals is one of the best VIP signals out there, where you'll be able to give us, you'll be given a signal, and will also give you some follow-up update on the signal so that I can be able to see what the signals entails. So that is what I want you to understand. So let's go back to my market structure so that I can be able to understand how I was able to get my entry and also take this good trade. So now, as I was saying, you see, if you come down to the lower time frame, let's go to 15-minute chart. You can see this is 15-minute chart. You can see. So on the 15-minute chart, there's a break of structure here at this level. There's a break of structure. Market was trading down, but this candle was able to break above these highs. This is the previous higher low. So we break above the higher low. We create higher highs. Market come down to produce a higher low, and also market push the price upward. And look at it, we have a special bullish engulfing here. This is a bullish engulfing candle that we use as our entry trigger. So if you look at something, if you just mark your daily highs and the daily lows, you just want, if the market was able to break above these daily highs, you'll take your trade. If the market was able to break below the previous daily low, you will also be able to take your trade as well. So this is Forex Gold trading channel. So for you to take an entry is very simple. You'll just use what I call, this is it. I told you the third is use candlestick patterns as your entry triggers. I told you, if you have this kind of setup, always try and make sure when markets was trying to break structure above the previous daily high, market is going upward. If price break below the previous daily candle low, that means market is going down. There is always a huge liquidity in between the daily highs and the daily low. That is the reason why we are using this trading strategy in order to scalp the market, analyze the market, and take a good entry trading the boom and crash. So you can see here, let's even go back to the daily 15-minute chart. You can see on the 15-minute chart we have a bullish engulfing here that push this price upward. But if you come down to the 15-minute chart, then you're able to realize that there was a small break of structure at this level before the market started to push off higher. So that is what you need to understand. To analyze the market is very, very simple. You'll analyze your market and take your entry in just 3 simple steps. Number 1, you are going to identify and mark the daily highs and the daily lows on the previous daily candle. Secondly, look for break of structure for trend continuation or a battle or reversal. If we are in an uptrend, if price break above the daily highs, you'll continue going up. If price break below the daily low, you'll continue going down. And also, you are going to use candlestick pattern as your entry trigger. Your final at the entry trigger I always use as my final confirmation in order to take my trade is candlestick pattern. Possibly in my offer video, I'm going to talk about how to use candlestick and get a very, very good entry. So like me, I've gotten a good entry here. You can see this is a bullish engulfing, that this candle is a bullish engulfing that pushed this market up higher, and we're able to take our trade and make a very, very good profit. You can see. So even right now, price is still ranging in between the daily and the daily highs and the daily low. Let's even check our current day today. Let's mark our day. This is yesterday's candle, this one. So let's mark the highs. This is the highs and this is the low. So now you can see, since price is trading below the highs of the previous day candle, I'm going to look for a confirmation. If I get a confirmation trading down, I will trade this market down to this level, or to do retrace the 50% retracement on this big candle. But if price was able to break above these highs and I get a break of structure and I have my candlestick pattern, which is my entry trigger, I'm going to go to the 15-minute chart and always take my trade. I always use 15-minute chart to execute my trade. 15-minute or 1 hour, 15-minute chart or 30-minute chart. That is the most used chart I use in order to take my trades. And you can be able to see it live and direct here. So anytime you want to analyze your market, as far as you are a daily trader, you are trading boom and crash, you are catching spike, you don't too much need to consider the monthly and the weekly. The only thing that will make you to consider the weekly chart or the monthly chart is for you to understand what the market is doing, so that you will not be buying a wrong market. Possibly in the weekly chart or the monthly chart, the market is on an uptrend, but you are there selling the market on a daily chart or on lower time frames. It's not corresponding. So always try as much as you can to make sure you look at the daily chart and the weekly chart and understand the story they are telling you. Like now, I need to take trade, but I still wait for final confirmation. We go down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, you see, this is the range. So now I'm waiting for market to either break above these highs and continue up, or market get a confirmation and continue coming down to retest this area or to retest this level before I take my trade. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel. Nice to have you now. See you in my next video. So please, if you have any question, don't hesitate to always ask me. Like the way this guy asked me, I was able to answer his question and create a nice video for him. Also, if you have any question, please don't forget, always comment your question in the comment section. I will make sure I go through your questions and also analyze it and see how I can be able to respond to your question or to create any video for you if you are having any issue with any explanation that we have in our trades. This is Forex Gold Trading channel. So nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Bye.